And this is a project where we are installing Congoleum Dura ceramic over an old linoleum floor. This is the floor here. There are areas where the old vinyl is coming up in places, and we are going to rip those loose areas up, cut them out, and we're going to use an embossing leveler, a Portland-based embossing leveler, and skim over the complete floor. Here's areas where you could see it's really loose, so we're cutting all those areas out and getting to the area where we have solid adhesion of the old floor. And this is the embossing, where we have skimmed over the floor, smooth everything out, so now we have a nice smooth surface so we can cement down the new Dura ceramic. And this is the area where we have like about 80% installed. Just finishing up at the areas where we need to make our final cuts. So this is again almost showing it completed, doing final touches with moldings and vinyl cove base under the counters. So it's a completely finished project. And this enables us to install the luxury vinyl over the floor. And here is the completed flooring with all the moldings and vinyl base installed. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website, fashion-carpets.com, go to our video channel, or go to our YouTube channel, check out other videos, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.